पिछले 2 दिन से जब ये घटना चक्र भी चल रहा था, मैं जानता हूं कि आप सब भी काफी जानना चाह रहे थे कि भाई मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूं, मेरा क्या पक्ष है, बट मैंने अपनी तरफ से अंत तक मैंने प्रयास किया कि पार्टी और परिवार दोनों को एकजुट करके रख सकूं।
Dramatic developments in the Lok Janshakti Party over the past 2 days have seen its national president Chirag Paswan lose control over the party that his father, the late Ram Vilas Paswan, founded over 2 decades ago, and have presented him with a set of difficult political choices here onward. 5 MPs of the LJP have turned against the 6th, which is Chirag himself, and have elected his uncle, Hajipur MP Pashupati Kumar Paras, the LJP's leader in Lok Sabha. The new LJP has announced its intention to return to the NDA in Bihar, reversing Chirag's decision to walk away from the alliance ahead of the assembly elections in the state last year. How did this situation come about?
You know, when any party gets weak, the dissidents within the party wait for the right time to strike. This is what happened with LJP. Pasupati Kumar Paras, who is MP from Hajipur, is never taken as a very serious political leader. He was always in the shadow of his elder brother Ramvilas Paswan. He was not comfortable with the idea of Ramvilas Paswan promoting his son. When he became if I correctly remember, the parliamentary party board's chairman, he was not comfortable. And even after his elevation to the position of national president, he was sort of upset, which Chirag wrote very much in his letter, which is now public. So there had been discomfort right from the word go. But things fell apart after the demise of Ramvilas Paswan. He was one personality, one stalwart who could hold the party and the family together. People would always refer to example of how three brothers could stick together for such a long time. But this could not happen with Chirag Paswan. Chirag Paswan is a different politicians, young politicians, not as much rooted like his father. And there was some seniority issue. There had been allegation of inaccessibility, influence of his personal assistant Saurabh Pandey on him. So and plus the political ambition of all the 5 MPs, including Pasupati Kumar Paras, which precipitated after the loss of assembly election, in which LJP could get only 1 seat, and that too lone MLA left for JDU. So many things were happening. Chirag had not been keeping well during lockdown. He had been out of Bihar. So Pasupati Kumar Paras just thought it could be the right opportunity to strike, which it did. Ramvilas Paswan formed the party in November 2000, and he named it, as you know, Lok Janshakti Party. And just after the formation of the party, it fought the first election, which proved very miraculous for the party. In the very first election it got 29 seats in a hung assembly. Ramvilas Paswan could have tilted either way. A government could have been formed, but that didn't happen. He put an impractical condition of having a Muslim chief minister for backing either combination, either NDA or Lalu Prasad, which didn't happen after a brief spell of president's rule. There was another election in the year in which NDA could get a majority, and Ramvilas Paswan lost his proverbial key to the formation of government. A young man of 6 feet with baritone voice and brown eye attracted much public attention during the 2010 polls, even 2009 polls, when he had been campaigning for his father, Hajipur. That time he used to sport long hair. He was in film those days, and he just did one film with Kangana Ranaut, and the Pakogilari song was very famous. But we were not convinced that he could win for a long time. In 2013, Ramvilas Paswan had some heart ailment, and he went for some treatment. At that time, he thought that it was the right time to promote his son, bring his son into politics. And then he brought his son into politics. He was initially well received in the party, and he spoke very well, and he can speak very well. But he didn't have that ground connect of his father. Obviously, Ramdas Paswan came from socialist background, one who used to bicycle so many kilometers from the Kosi region. So he was, Chirag was brought up in a very comfortable atmosphere. So nobody can compare him with Ramdas Paswan. So he came into politics, and Ramvilas Paswan was very clear that he would be his successor. And he said, under banyan tree, nothing grows. So I allowed my son to grow, and he can chart his course. But then he fell seriously ill, and he could not survive. Before his death, he had written a letter saying that he has allowed Chirag to chart his own, and which Chirag did, and he came out of NDA. Pasupati Kumar Paras was not very comfortable with the idea because he's the one is said to be very close to Nitish Kumar. He had become a minister under Nitish Kumar government. He was not even an MLC, he was made an MLC. So there had been two camps, one pro-Nitish camp and obviously anti-Nitish camp. Paswan and Nitish Kumar never got along well. As you know, he has already, as a party president, at the legitimate party president, he has suspended or expelled all the 5 dissident MPs for anti-party activities. He is well within the right to do so. Another faction claims that they are the LJP, and all those matters would go before the election commission. As far as my understanding goes, it is Chirag Paswan's party which is the original LJP right now. Just because they had some MPs all with them doesn't mean that they are LJP. Of course, the Lok Sabha speaker can give them permission is a separate group. He can provide separate sitting arrangement for them. Even that group, independent group, can choose its leader. There is no problem with that. But as far as the name of the party LJP goes, I think the matter would go before the election commission. There would be representation from either side. But as of now, Chirag is the original LJP. His future is very clear. If he takes to Bihar, if you takes to the dust and grind of Bihar, moves around, whether it is election or no election, he had given the slogan of Bihar first, Bihari first, which I think it is always relevant. If it was relevant before election, it is still relevant. He should go. He should start it. There is sizable Paswan population in Bihar, sizable 16% Dalit population in Bihar, and there is no Dalit leader in Bihar after Ramvilas Paswan's demise. He still has that opportunity. That is space for him. For that, he has to work hard, make his position before the next assembly election. His uncles cannot pose. His only uncle is surviving with Pasupati Paras. He cannot pose a threat to him as he's never taken as a leader of Paswans, and people around him are not Paswans leader, not leaders of Dalit. So Chirag has to chart his own course. He has a tough battle.